Hey, Dave, the guitar guy again. This is part three of my pork chop video. So we got two chops in here. I'm going to try to lift them up a little bit. You can see the steam coming off of there. There's still a little bit of grease underneath the pan. So you know they're going to be tender and juicy. I'm going to push it a little bit apart so you can see the pork. You see that pork is like almost, you could almost pull it apart with your fingers. And it's bone-in pork. So that's basically that dish. I know it's not super exciting, but I'll get into some more stuff. I really like cooking a lot, and I'm getting into painting too. So we'll see what happens. Maybe some more Dave the Guitar Guy stuff too. All right, y'all have a good night from Missouri. This is Dave the Guitar Guy from Chicago.